Civo Navigate has been so fantastic so far. Definitely worth the 8,000-kilometer trip from the west coast of Canada.
It's quite impressive, the venue, and the keynote I've been today was very inspiring.
The venue is just top-notch, great crowd. I highly recommend the event.
We are one of the sponsors at Civo Navigate. We have had such a great time so far. So many great conversations with people.
There's a whole lot of really fun and interesting and smart people that I've already had the chance to have great conversations with already. So yeah, it's been great to be here.
Good food, amazing conversations, and it's been pretty fun.
The talks have been excellent, and it's great to speak to the speakers after the talk so you can dive deeper into the discussion.
It's been so nice to meet all the people that I know from Twitter, and I can meet some amazing Kubernetes folks here as well.
I was lucky enough to be at the event in Tampa earlier in the year as well, and this London one has been just as great. Some amazing conversations here with lots of really interesting and really involved developers and Kubernetes specialists.
People so friendly. The speaking sessions are so awesome too.
The event has been fantastic. We've been just really amazed by all the great engineers, great conversations, a really human experience, as you would expect from a place like Civo.
There's some great food, we've had some great people come to the booth.
You can do almost anything at this point. So Civo, congratulations, you're doing some fantastic things.